2-slice electronic toaster. Wide slots fit large bagels. 6 settings for browning levels. Overall high-quality cooking product. Use the powerful 800-watt Brentwood TS-292R Cool Touch 2-slice extra-wide slot toaster to toast bagels, thick artisan bread, waffles, pastries and more. Choose level of toast with 6 setting, light to dark dial. Auto-centering guides ensure even toasting. Located on the bottom of the toaster is an easy-access crumb tray and convenient cord wrap for mess-free storage. Housing stays cool to the touch for safety. Top reviews from the United States. Little Red Toaster. I am changing all my appliances over to Red and this little toaster has not disappointed me. Works well, cleans well. I love it.